How to move a design to another space in PhotoRoom. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using PhotoRoom and want to move a design from one space to another, then first of all open the PhotoRoom application and sign into your account. Now go ahead and open up the space containing the design. Click the Content button at the bottom right and choose your workspace from the menu at the top. After you're inside the workspace, go ahead and find the design you want to move and tap the three dots right above it. Now, click on Move to Space, and if you have any other space, you can tap on the space available. In the pop-up, you will be able to see the space you can move to. Just tap on it and you'll be able to move the design to another space. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.